বিসিএসের জন্য খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ একটি অংশ হচ্ছে ইংলিশ লিটারেচার। আজকে আমরা এই অংশ থেকে কিছু প্রশ্ন সম্পর্কে আলোকপাত করব। রবার্ট হেরিক was an English poet. Who is the father of modern English poetry? Geoffrey Chaucer. Renaissance means the revival of learning. Frailty. Thy name is Omen. Hamlet. Macbeth is a play. William Shakespeare is a famous dramatist. The last line of Two Daffodils is ne'er to be seen again. That is the full name of the tragedy, Dr. Faustus. The tragical history of Dr. Faustus, who is called the poet of poets, Edmund Spenser. Who among the following was an English Renaissance poet? John Milton. Who wrote an apology for poetry? Sir Philip Sidney. Silent Omen is written by Ben Jonson. Christopher Marlowe is Shakespeare's predecessor. Who is the university wits in the following list? Robert Greene. Which is the oldest period in English literature? Anglo-Saxon. ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।